Hi guys, the biggest mistake students doing is they're not understanding the CAT ka paper have changed. Over the last 3 years, cutoffs are dropping like anything. It's not because the popularity is going down, it's because the level of difficulty is going up. CAT paper is becoming difficult because, for example, if I tell you 99 percentile is equal to only 38% marks. Matlab, out of 200 marks, if I can get 76 marks plus, I'm getting a 99 percentile. The problem is most of coaching classes are not changing their books or updating their patterns because CAT ka paper have totally changed over the last 3 years, especially CAT 21, 22, 23. Last 3 year CAT paper is totally different from what used to come. And most of coaching classes, because see, if I have to update, I have to change my books, I have to change everything. तो इतना कौन change करेगा? वो भी सिखाते जाओ. जिसको टॉप करना है वो टॉप कर ही लेगा अपने आप. So what you can do is you can join our program. So we're launching our G strategy program for CAT exam, which includes your quant, verbal, DI, logic. You can check out the link in the description box and check out a few demo sample videos as well, which are updated here. Find on our site, see iamking.com. So, or you can go to the second link, CAT actual questions. We have given all the CAT papers topic wise, section wise. Every topic is covered here. So I want you to go through all this paper, DI logic और G strategy wise, teeny arrangement, wide arrangement. For example, अगर मैं ये 3 चीजें कर लेता हूँ, सिर्फ 3 चीजें, DILR, teeny arrangement, wide arrangement and case flat as a part of G strategy. हर एक के मैंने यहाँ पे 10-10, 12-12 सैंपल भी दे दी आपको करने के लिए. I can clear the cut off. Trust me, 3 चीजें करके जानी है, अपना कट ऑफ क्लियर हो जाएगा आराम से. So in case you join the G strategy program, you can join that. That will include the booklets as well. We're launching our new booklets as per the updated CAT pattern. I'm going to छोटा booklets. हटाओ CAT के बड़े मोटी books. ठीक है. So first 3 months, April, May, June, I want to do the basics. ये 3 महीना let's focus on the basics. Once I'm done with the basics, then June onwards, I will be giving you these booklets. एक बार बारिश आने दो, बारिश के बाद we'll start the high level CAT question with basics. Yeah, so if you can get hold of these booklets, we are going to launch them in June. That will take care of your complete advanced level preparation for the CAT exam. But अभी के लिए I have to do the basics first. So let's complete the basics so that I can reach the level where I can clear the cutoff for the CAT exam. So in case you want to join us for the books, mocks, shortcuts, any other things, please check out the link given in the description box or call the numbers given in the description box. All the best.